In Windows 10, I want to show you how you can pin a folder to the start screen over here, which is helpful if you have a few folders that you use a lot and you don't want to have to poke through them. What I do, I go over here to the left here, and I find Documents or File Explorer, and I go into Documents, and let's say I want to constantly use this Avery Templates folder. I right-click inside here. I left-click on Pin to Start. I click on the Start button in the lower left-hand corner where it typically is. And it's not showing, but if I go into here, it's showing Avery Templates. I can just click and move it. But let's say I want to be a smaller folder. If I do that, I right-click inside here, and then I could unpin it if I don't need it anymore. I could say resize. If I make it small, it just shows this as a little thing here. But if you hover it, it shows it. I would not advocate having 300 folders here, but if you know you use this all the time, and you can just click in here, it's going to show you the contents of this folder. I go into here. I could also move by just clicking on that little thing here, drag it up like a playing card in solitaire, or I could pull it here, right click, resize, medium. Great way to stay organized if you're working with a lot of folders or need to find a couple of them immediately.